It's gonna be. Oof. Oh. Come on. No. Oh, do you see that? Do you see that come back? Do you see that come back? Oh, wrong up it, I got again. Yeah, hilarious, yes. I'll probably do a count, I guess. Oh, you could move the mic a little bit more. I can hear the let me say, okay. I can basically put it. So let's. Oh my god. How about now? Can you hear me? Echoey. Echoey? Middle of my shirt. Okay. Yo. There you go. Oh. I'll put it in the middle of my shirt. Hang on a second. Wee. Oh, what a perfect. Perfect. Put it in the middle, right? Eat some hot food. No man, I had it like in the afternoon. Gee, I had a hot meal. Oh, this little bud thing you had, like a I had that somewhere, but I don't know where it's gone. Put it in the box. Battle. I'm wondering if you can hear the fan noise around MD. There you. Fan is half loud as normal, but can you hear it like loud, like normally very loud? Is that gonna be? Can't hear at all. That's good. That's good because it does go really loud during the fight. Big room. I know. Oh my god. Oh, does his low million moves? Okay, all right. Oh, wow. This. Oh, whoa. Come on. Yes! Oh, that's smartphone apparently. Master Raven, damn it. So, yeah, it's distorting when you shout. I put it in that neck, probably that area there. Quite hard to clip it. Hang on a second. Ah, your face is bloody and old. Oh my god. Oh, that was very late. No! Just son of a gun, I forgot about that. Mission completed, yes. Oh. I'm quite Grandmaster. Next battle. Still quite. Oh, dude. Oh, yes, I'm Grandmaster. Luke, I'm not Luke. Flash Bill. Come on, yes. Right, right. Have it here. Have it right there. So distorted, that can still hear. That's good, that's the main thing. So the fan noise, right, if I can go backwards, just a background noise before, okay. Well, is there a way of, there's this sort of, that little, what do you call it? Oh, okay. Let's try and do it. Oh, wow. Oh, no! Oh, damn him! Oh, there you go, come on, one piece. Okay. Oh, down, all muffled, push it muffled. Oh yeah, it's gone inside. This is really... Why is the clip? I expect it to be like this. Why is the clip? The fan noise, I'm hoping it's not going as crazy because my PS4 is like I've changed it a bit. Oh, what? How am I facing the first down? Can't do it. Yeah. He's got one loss. Poor lad. Oh. Oh. Oh my god, he does like grabbing a lot, doesn't he? Oh, yeah, you're not gonna get them yet. Oh my god. How is he winning? No way. Can't believe this. That's it. No mercy. Ah, he keeps grabbing me. Yeah. You wouldn't like that. Yeah. Yeah, how we like that? How we like the grabbing monkey? Is that racist?
Racist. You racist, bro.
By the way, I plugged into the they're out, but if it's great. Yeah, doesn't seem to show up. This guy's lost rounds. Oh my god. Ah, mate, it started like afternoon time. It's just crazy. What are you doing that for? Ah, why would you do that? Why would you do that? This guy's so awkward. Why would you do that again? He's done the same mistake twice. Come on, man. You could do this. I mean, you could do better. Show him match. Doesn't want to know. Oh, he wasn't. And see a pin. Of course, slow move. Yeah. Come on. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Oh, again, man. Oh. No! Oh! Ooh! Oh, he wants another match. This guy thinks he can beat me. Oh gosh. I'm gonna make a video of this because of my hiccups. Oh! Oh! Come on! Woo! No! No! What am I doing? No! What a bit of a sight. No, she got me, bastard! Bastard! Oh! Oh, you jammy mother! Jammy! Oh my god! Oh, got my winning streak, bastard! Yeah. Oh. He does his cheeky grab. He found a way. Come on, he's beating my streak, the bastard. And nuisance. Yeah, a bit of that. What the? Whoa, how did you manage to grab me so far away? No way! No way! This is so annoying, man. I lost twice already. Okay then. Point. You shut up. You're an idiot. You lost your mojo. He's changed something. I don't know. Alright. Yeah. Oh no, I pressed the button! Yes! Yeah! There you go. I'm the last up. Screw him. I think my hiccups are going. I think they're kind of gone. Oh, promotion match, demotion match. Oh, what? Oh my god. Oh, what? Oh, piss off. Oh my god, this takes so much. Oh my god. Oh, whoa, what the heck's going on? Look, do you see that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. No. Yes, I've done it. I'm Brawler. Screw you, Bush. Big achievement now, the highest rank.
Thank you for your patience by watching our video. If you like our content, be sure to like and subscribe, plus most importantly, check our website. Ranked Battles is a gaming platform where you can create a challenge, accept the challenge, enter your scores and gain experience points with the goal of reaching to the next rank. Also have tournaments, but we're waiting for this duffer to build it. If you cannot find any challenges, we are also a member of the Shadow Network Discord who kindly created a tab for us so it gives us a chance to look for your opponent. Go to www.rankbattles.com and register to our website. Also follow us on Twitch, Instagram and Twitter. Do it!
Do it! Do it now!
Links and additional info are in the description.